Sultan Dato' Tunggu Saigon.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Kilala mo na ba yan? Sa aking kapapantagan na Secretary General ng Al-Muslimin Al-Fabi Incorporated,
Yes.
meron kaming membership na 300. Napakaliit, pero meron kaming 10 mayor na membro. Membro namin si Governor Coto Mamunarato, the late Samsulin Limogo, peace with you, rest in peace, Brother Limogo, and also Director Harun Nordel is also a member of the Al-Muslimin, and Brother Alman Madalhir. So marami kami dito ngayon. Ilan ba Al-Muslimin dito? Taas mo ba? Taas mo kamay. Because I am representing the Al-Muslimin Al-Fabi as your Secretary General, and I will read our position paper.
Proceed.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, allow me to congratulate your organizers, including you, Bay,
Thank you.
to this historical event where Bangsamoro leaders have met to discuss among themselves the possibilities of attaining peace in the Bangsamoro homeland. The theme One Bangsamoro for Peace is appropriate and timely because our present government, led by a Mindanaoan who has big heart for the Bangsamoro, is trying to reaching out all the Moro fronts that are struggling for the right to self-determination to unite in order that the elusive peace can be attained. The almost 5 decades of struggle had resulted to the loss of many lives, destruction of properties, and migration of thousands of Bangsamoro people to neighboring countries like Malaysia and Brunei. Through the years, we experienced several attempts to put an end to this struggle by way of a political solution like agreements, accords, and frameworks just to attain lasting peace. However, instead of achieving this Bangsamoro aspiration or right to self-determination, it is perceived that the reason for the disintegration of our people. The divide and rule tactics has been effectively implemented in our needs, and this can be gleaned in several factions being created from and among the revolutionaries. Along this line, the professional sector, which we represent in the Al-Muslimin Al-Fabi Incorporated, the Bangsamoro people are also divided due to the fact that they tend to support their relatives, whatever affiliations or living in the fronts they belong. This is a reality that even among siblings have different affiliations among the Moro fronts. The question at hand is how to unite the so-called cream of the crop of the Bangsamoro society. I am referring to the professionals. This remains as a big challenge to the professional sector of the Bangsamoro people. We firmly believe that the professional sector can be united in the name of peace for the fact that we are level-headed people that can grasp the problem and eventually find solutions to finally unite our people for a common good of the Bangsamoro people.
I'm sorry, but you should be at the last
time. Okay. We urge the organizers, to sustain this kind of activity, wherein all sectors of the Bangsamoro people have gathered in one venue to ventilate issues and concerns confronting them, and formulate positive steps for the betterment of our people. Lastly, the professional sector is appealing to the sultanates, the Moro fronts, and all sectors to set aside their group interests and uphold and onward the interests of the greater majority of the Bangsamoro people for just and peaceful community. Wassalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you very much. Yakap kapag kayo sa mayan na nalapan mapasa the discussion na niya sa kapuri.